Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to discuss the topic division of polynomials. Long division of polynomials is similar to long division of whole numbers. When you divide 36 by 5, you get 7 as quotient and 1 as remainder. Here 36 is the dividend, 5 is the divisor, 7 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. You can check your answer using the following. 36 is equal to 7 into 5 plus 1. 7 into 5, 35. 35 plus 1, 36. In other words, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is the rule we are using to check our answer for division. This rule is using for polynomials also. Let us discuss the division of polynomials. First question, divide p of x by g of x, where p of x is equal to x plus 3x square minus 1 and g of x is equal to 1 plus x. Here p of x is the dividend and g of x is the divisor. First we need to write the dividend and divisor in the standard form. That is, arranging the terms in the descending order of their powers. Here, the power of the first term is 1 and the power of the second term is 2. They are not in descending order. Descending order means big to small. Let us arrange the powers in descending order. So, the dividend is equal to, first 3x square will come, 3x square plus x minus 1. Okay, then divisor. Here we have 1 plus x. First need to come x to the power 1 plus 1. So, the divisor is equal to x plus 1. Now we arranged the dividend and divisor in the standard form. In most of the question, the dividend and divisor is already in standard form. We are using long division method for finding the answer. While doing division, the dividend should be inside the division box and divisor should be outside the box. Division of polynomials has some steps. Children, listen the steps carefully. First step is, first focus on the first term of the dividend and the first term of the divisor. Here the first term of the dividend is 3x square and the first term of the divisor is x. First we need to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. That is 3x square by x. Okay. Children, what is 3x square by x? From 3x square, 1x will cancel and in the denominator 1x will cancel. Balance we have 3x. This gives us the first term of the quotient. That is 3x is the first term of the quotient. Second step is, after getting the first term of the quotient, we need to multiply the divisor with the first term of the quotient. So, the second step is 3x into divisor x plus 1. Apply distributive property. 3x into x, 3x square, 3x into plus 1 plus 3x. Now we got the product 3x square plus 3x. After getting the product, we need to write this product under the dividend. That also be careful, like terms need to come down by down. Here this term is with x square, so the term of x square need to come down by down and the term of x need to come down by down like that. Okay, so write this product under the dividend. 3x square plus 3x is the product we got. Okay. Then subtract the product from the dividend. While doing subtraction, change the sign of the second expression. Here the sign of 3x square is plus, change it into minus. This plus will change into minus. Now you need to consider the new signs. Okay, now do the subtraction. 3x square minus 3x square. 0. It will cancel. Next, x minus 3x. X means its coefficient is 1. Children, what is 1 minus 3? 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So, x minus 3x is minus 2x. Next, write the next term down. That is, write minus 1 down. Now, we got the remainder minus 2x minus 1. Now, this remainder is treated as the new dividend. The divisor will remain the same. Okay. Next, we will continue the step what we did at first for getting the next term of the quotient. That is, next we are going to divide the first term of the new dividend minus 2x by the first term of the divisor. Okay. So, third step is minus 2x divided by first term of the divisor, that is x. What is minus 2x by x? X and x will cancel and we get minus 2. This will give us the second term of the quotient. So, the second term of the quotient is minus 2. After getting the second term of the quotient, we need to multiply our divisor with the second term of the quotient. So, the fourth step is minus 2 into divisor, x plus 1. So, minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Minus 2 into plus 1, minus 2. So, we got the product minus 2x minus 2. Now, we need to write this product under the new dividend. So, minus 2x minus 2 will come here. After that, we need to subtract the product from the dividend. So, already told you, while doing subtraction, change the sign of the second expression. So, minus 2x will change into plus 2x and this minus 2 will change into plus 2. Now, apply the subtraction. Minus 2x plus 2x. 0, it will cancel. Next, minus 1 plus 2. What is minus 1 plus 2? Yes, minus 1 plus 2 is equal to plus 1. So, we got the remainder 1. No terms are left in the dividend. This process continues till the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. Here we got the remainder 1. It is a constant number, so our division process is completed. So, we got the quotient is equal to 3x minus 2 and remainder is equal to 1. Let us discuss one more question. Second question is, divide x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 5. Answer, dividend is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Divisor is equal to x plus 5. First check the dividend and divisor is in the standard form. Here the dividend and divisor is already in the standard form because the powers of the variable are in the descending order. Let us do the division. First step is divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. That is x cube by x. Children, what is x cube by x? From x cube, 1x and in the denominator 1x will cancel and balance we have x square. So, x cube by x is x square. This gives us the first term of the quotient. So, the first term of the quotient is x square. Second step is multiply the divisor by the first term of the quotient. That is x square into x plus 5. Apply the distributive property. X square into x is x cube. X square into plus 5 is plus 5x square. Write the product under the dividend. X cube plus 5x square. Next step is subtract the product from the dividend. While doing subtraction, change the sign of the second expression. So here x cube is plus, it will change into minus, and this plus also will change into minus. Now do the subtraction. X cube minus x cube. 0, it will cancel. Next, 3x square minus 5x square. Children, what is 3x square minus 5x square? Yes, it is minus 2x square. Now we got the remainder minus 2x square. Next step is write down the balance terms in the dividend to down. So here we have plus 3x and plus 1. Now we got the new dividend. Minus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. The divisor will remain the same. Third step is we need to divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor. That is minus 2x square by x. What is minus 2x square by x? From x square 1x, and from the denominator 1x will cancel and the balance is minus 2x. This gives us the second term of the quotient. So the second term of the quotient is minus 2x. After getting the second term of the quotient, multiply the divisor by the second term of the quotient. That is the fourth step. So minus 2x into divisor x plus 5 is equal to minus 2x into x minus 2x square minus 2x into plus 5 minus 10x. Okay, write the product under the dividend. Minus 2x square minus 10x. Then do the subtraction. Subtract the product from the dividend. Before subtraction, change the sign of the second expression. Here, this minus will change into plus. This minus also change into plus. Now do the subtraction. Minus 2x square plus 2x square. 0, it will cancel. Plus 3x plus 10x. 13x. One term is balance here. Write it down. Plus 1. Now we have the remainder 13x plus 1. Children, shall we stop the process? No, we can't, because we need to continue the process till the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. Here the degree of the remainder is 1. Degree of the divisor also 1. They are equal. So we need to continue the process. Okay. So the fifth step is divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor. That is 13x by x. What is 13x by x? X and x will cancel. We will get 13. This gives us the third term of the quotient. So the third term of the quotient is 13. Okay. Next step is multiply the third term of the quotient by the divisor. So the sixth step is 13 into x plus 5. 13 into x, 13x, 13 into plus 5 is plus 65. So write the product under the dividend. 13x plus 65. Then continue the same process we did at first, subtraction. Subtract the product from the dividend. So change the sign. Here 13x is positive. So change the sign into minus. And this plus also change into minus. Now do the subtraction. 13x minus 13x. 0, it will cancel. 1 minus 65. What is 1 minus 65? Yes, it is minus 64. Now we got the remainder minus 64. So we can stop our division process. Now we got the quotient is equal to x square minus 2x plus 13 and the remainder is equal to minus 64. Children, how to check the answer? We already discussed one rule for checking the answer. It is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Check the answer by yourself. Okay children, we are winding up today's class. I hope you understood what we discussed today. Practice the question answers what we discussed. Thank you.